So if you're new to my channel and you don't know what's going on, I've been documenting my process taking the 100K challenge with Finotive funded.
I'm 1% away from losing my funded account. I don't know what to do.
Just reset your account balance. With Finotive funding, you can reset your balance as long as you meet the requirements.
Thanks again, Zuma. I went in King's description and found the code King5 for 5% off and an extra 5% profit share.
Alright, so as you can see by my dashboard, I failed this challenge. And I don't mind posting it or anything because I'm trying to show y'all the reality of trading. As a profitable trader, I'm trying to show y'all the reality of challenges. And not every single challenge you're going to pass. But your goal is to try to pass, make sure you pass as much. But it's okay if you fail some. Because I believe the time I took the this challenge was in a time where my strategy was just on a losing streak. I've been on a losing streak for almost 3 months now, and I'm not afraid to say that. A lot of traders on YouTube don't post as much of their losses and their ups and downs, but on this channel we're gonna go through the journey together, and so y'all can actually have confidence and know that you're not alone if you fail the challenge. You know, we fail some, we win some, we lose some. So I lost the 10%. And before we even look at the trades, like the trade journal. Alright, so we're in my trading journal right here. And the last time we left off, I believe the last trade we left off was on the 15th. I took a 1% loss on that. And the next trade after that, I took a break-even trade. If I have the screenshot, I'll put it up on somewhere on the screen. And yeah, there was really nothing much to it. Break-even trade followed my next trade I took on this challenge was another loss. It was a 1.2% loss. I didn't even notice I was risking 1.2%. Maybe some slippage happened. I think some slippage happened because I was risking 1%. And yeah, I just went on a crazy losing streak. Next trade was Euro USD on the 21st. Another 1% loss. If I have a screenshot, I'll put it up. Then I found another trade the same day, not too long. As you can see, it was 3 minutes after. Found another confirmation, and I took that L back to back to back to back. And let's see, this was a couple days after. This was like 7 days after I took my next trade, which was another loss. So after I took that trade right there on the 28th, I didn't trade for a while because I didn't see no setups, and I wanted to make sure I'm following my rules because that's the most important. You should always judge your trading by your rule following and your ability to execute when it's time. So after that, finally got a trade on here, set up right here, took the trade, took a loss, right? This right here, I was risking 1%, but I decided to cut my loss early because I noticed that if I do, hopefully I do have a screenshot. I'm gonna put it up right here. I noticed that I think it was there was a zone and it went against me, but it broke below the zone, but my stop loss was still below there. And I do notice when a break of structure happens, like it's gonna like most likely continue to your stop loss, so I might as well close it and save myself the extra 400 and whatever. The next trade I took after this, I risked a little bit less than 1% because I was one trade away from failing, so I wanted to make sure my whole trade had breathing room. So I took that trade and then ended up failing the challenge. So it is what it is. You know, losses are a part of the game right here. So these many losses. But what y'all gotta remember is y'all win rate don't matter. It's all about actually it matters to a certain extent once you combine your win rate plus your RR. When you combine these two together, it will make a power.
So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and watch this video right here. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get in contact with these private investors. So stay tuned for that, unless I don't got it up here yet.